Work continues to move forward steadily at Spotify Camp Nou, with clear visual progress taking shape across multiple areas of the structure. Structural elements are becoming more defined, facade development is advancing, and on-site coordination remains consistent. With each passing phase, the overall form of the stadium is becoming more complete and increasingly impressive. Significant structural preparation is now visible in the north goal corner. Multiple new union plates have been installed along the black radial beams to support upcoming lama structures. Only the leftmost beam section remains without these connectors. Additionally, a new horizontal tube level has been added, bringing the structural layering in this zone to 3 tiers. With union plates secured and materials staged nearby, this corner is clearly being prepared for the next phase of lama support installation, signaling that visible facade transformation could begin here very soon. The south goal corner is approaching full lama completion. The left sector is now fully finished, while the right sector requires only a small upper section to close the gap. Cranes, platforms, and stacked lamas are already positioned, indicating that final installation could happen imminently. Once this remaining section is completed, both sectors of this corner will stand structurally unified, dramatically transforming the facade's visual impact. A major structural milestone has been achieved with the installation of the 4th radial beam and its supporting pillar. Despite recent weather disruptions, heavy lifting operations were successfully executed. With 4 radial beams now in place, the compression ring structure is becoming increasingly defined. The alignment and spacing suggest preparation for the 5th beam installation may begin soon, continuing the structural sequence toward the south goal. Installation work is actively progressing in the south goal sector. Elevated platforms are operating between structural brackets, and workers are finalizing upper sandwich panel placements along the stair and elevator cores. One upper panel section has recently been secured, marking vertical enclosure progress. Additional panels are staged nearby, ready for lifting. Machinery is also active behind the primary columns, showing that multiple layers of work are advancing simultaneously in this zone. Facade finishing elements with insulation backing have been installed across the mid-level band of the north goal corner. Remaining sections on both sides still require completion. No new lama anchors are visible here yet, and overall activity remains moderate. No new glass panels have been installed in the diamond exterior corner. The same missing units remain both at the far end and at the lower edge of the facade. However, interior activity continues, with workers operating inside the structure, suggesting preparatory tasks are underway before final glazing. In the second diamond section, a significant number of structural components have been delivered and stacked on site. While front-facing glass placement remains unchanged, the volume of staged materials indicates that the next facade phase is approaching. The setup clearly signals that movement here could accelerate very soon. That's today's Camp Nou construction update. If you want continuous detailed construction updates from Camp Nou, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. More structural milestones are coming soon, and the transformation is only getting more impressive with each passing week.